Hey guys, I'm getting ready for bed, and I had a couple of questions and requests on my silk scarf, what I use and how I tie it. So this is the scarf that I use. This is one that I had on hand. It is just a long rectangular scarf, nothing fancy, and my scrunchie. So those are the two things that I use, and sometimes a clip. If you guys don't already follow Fit Cat Style, you need to. Katina is a friend of mine from the curly groups, and she has some great videos. She does a form of clipping that she calls Medusa clipping before bed, and it can be extremely helpful. So I will link her channel below, so you guys can check out her Medusa clipping and some of her other awesome curly videos. So what I'm going to do is just pull my hair up. I'll turn to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing, maybe. This doesn't have to be perfect, but I try to, make sure all my little pieces twist it around once. See, I forgot a piece. But since this is just a scrunchie, just tuck it up in there. It'll be okay. Take your scarf. Something you can do, and what I do sometimes, when my hair is a little bit longer, or if my bun is like extra big, is to do some of the clipping right here to kind of hold it all together. Keeps it from falling. Even with the scarf, there are going to be some pieces that will poke out of the top. If your hair is shorter, you won't have to worry about it. Let me back up. So, take it with the middle of the scarf, in the middle of your head, and I like to wrap it around. We'll loop it in the back, and then bring it back around the front to tie it. And that's it. I tie it twice. It never comes off of me. I'm kind of a messy sleeper some nights. But you can pull up that the little piece to cover it as much as you can, as much as you'd like. I tuck this under just to keep it from getting in my face. This style never comes off at night. My buff will come off. And sometimes it'll just like pull up to like right here. So sometimes it makes the hairline, the nape, awkward. But this does not come off for me. I am a side sleeper, but this would work if you're a back sleeper too. Now you can, do it opposite. I'll show you. So that the knot is in the back, if you would prefer for whatever reason. But if you're a back sleeper, that little knot will get in the way. So to do it with the knot in the back, you just start with the middle of the scarf in the back, crisscross in the front, tie in the back, and pull up, whatever you need. This part doesn't really get flattened or touched. Laying on my side, that'll fall. Laying on my side, it might get a little bit crumpled, but this is where you can use your clip. So if you have really long hair, you might want to consider going ahead and doing it, and then getting, well, this one's really tiny, but getting multiple clips once it's up, and once it's in the wrap, your scarf, and capturing it like that. So check out Katina's page, and if you have any questions about anything else that I do, just let me know, and I'll be happy to do a little demo for you. I get the best luck out of these long rectangular scarves as opposed to square ones. Just haven't figured it out. I do not get, I'm trying to think if I have one handy. I don't get the length that I need with like a regular handkerchief square. It's got to be longer. And this is just a little faux satin one. I think a cotton would work, but anything that might be a little bit rough could cause some frizz as it rubs against your hair at night. All right, you guys have an awesome one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.